Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unlock Binance account. So let's get started. So to unlock that, you have to follow this easy step. Go to Binance from here. Then you can click on binance.com, and from here you can, if you see your account has been logged, then you have to click on the like forgot here. For example, if you log in here, then you can click on the forgot, and after doing that, then you can make a new password, and from there it will be fixed. So this is how to fix or how to unlock your Binance account. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for your watching.